Hello to everyone. I am Professor Raja, working as Assistant Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Technology, and Autonomous Institution, Coimbatore. In this YouTube video, with the help of my students, I am going to discuss about the case study discussed on automatic door control system using 8051. So, in this previous YouTube video, with the help of my students, I have discussed how the automatic street controller is controlled by 8051. Now, it is another case study. So my students will discuss based on this topic, automatic door control. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I am Sanjay Darshan. So I am going to say about the overview of automatic door. So the overview starts as a system uses an IR sensor and ultrasonic sensor to detect a person approaching a door. அதாவது IR sensor and ultrasonic sensor வந்து அதை யூஸ் பண்ணி டிடெக்ட் பண்ணும் ஒருத்தர் வந்து டோர் பக்கத்தில் வந்தாலும். ஸோ டிடெக்ட் பண்ணதுக்கப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுதுன்னா 8051 மைக்ரோ கண்ட்ரோலர் வந்து அந்த சிக்னலை வந்து ப்ராசஸ் பண்ணி மோட்டரை வந்து ஆக்டிவேட் பண்ணும். ஸோ அந்த டோர் வந்து ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக ஓப்பன் ஆகும். ஸோ ஆஃப்டர் அ செட் டைம், அதாவது ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட டைமுக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த மோட்டர் வந்து டோரை வந்து க்ளோஸ் பண்ண வைக்கும். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ஓவர்வியூ ஆஃப் automatic door system. So the next topic will be continued by Usha.
So hello everyone, I am Servo. I am going to explain about the key components and connections required for this automatic door. So the key components required are, first we need to have the 8051 microcontroller. This 8051 microcontroller controls the system logic. Then we need a IR or PAR sensor which detects the motion to automatically open or close the door. So next we need a motor driver, L293D. This controls the DC motor required to open or close the door. So the DC motor moves the door, and then we need power supply. So 5 volt power supply is needed for 8051 microcontroller, and 12 volt power supply is needed for motor. The next topic will be
Hello everyone, I am Tarek. I am going to say about the working principle of the automatic door system. First of all, we detect motion from the IR sensor, which will be transferred to the 8051 microcontroller. The port of the IR sensor is P1.0, and the signal will be passed to the DC motor, in which the P2.0 and P2.1 is controlled for on and off the switch, on and off the DC motor. After that, if there is no motion in the IR sensor, the door will be automatically closed. The further will be explained by Sadhana.
Let's see the step-by-step execution of the system. First, power on system. Second, the IR sensor continuously scans for the moment. When a person approaches the door, the sensor detects motion. Then the 8051 microcontroller processes the input and sends the signal to the motor driver. Next, the motor opens the door, and after 5 seconds, the door automatically closes. Secondly, and finally, the system returns to the idle mode, ready for the next person. Further will be explained this on.
Hello all, I am Shahana. I am going to explain about additional features of automatic door. So the additional features is LCD display, which shows messages like door opening and closing, buzzer alert, sounds a buzzer when the door opens, and RFID integration allows access only to authorized personnel, and Bluetooth or Wi-Fi control remotely controls the door, ultrasonic sensor, improve detection access. Further explain.
Hello everyone. I am Surya Sunil. I am going to explain the advantages of automatic door. The first part is convenience. No manual effort is required to open or close the door. The second one is energy efficiency. Reduce energy consumption by keeping the door closed when not in use. Third part is increased security. Prevents unauthorized access by ensuring automatic closure. The fourth one is hygiene improvement. Minimize contact with the door surfaces, reducing the spread of germs. The last part is automation and customization. Can be integrated with access control systems, timers or remote control. Further will be explained by Yogesh.
Hello everyone, I am Yogesh. Today we are going to see about automatic motor disadvantage. High initial cost, Installation and setup cost can be high, and maintenance requirement. Regular maintenance is need to ensure sensor and motor functionality. Power dependency system can be occur during outage of unless backup power source is available. Motor wear and tear. Frequent usage can be lead to wear and tear of the motor and machinery parts.
So, by today's topic on case study of automatic door, we discussed about overview, components required, working principle, and step-by-step process and additional features, continued by advantages and disadvantages. So, thank you.